Let's talk about the latest launched ONEPLUS smartphone 12R. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO4 AMOLED display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels, 19.8:9 aspect ratio, 94.2% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 450 ppi. Pixel density, 4500 nits. Peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm OIS Sony IMX890 main camera, along with 8 megapixel 16mm Sony IMX355 ultra wide-angle camera. And with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm wide-angle front camera. Video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Oxygen OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.2 GHz. Single-core Cortex-X3, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A715, plus 2.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A710, plus 2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with Adreno 740 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 3.1. With 256 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.3 by 8.8 mm, and it weighs around 207 grams. The color options: iron gray, cool blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ONEPLUS 12R has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 39,999 Indian rupees, and around $500 and expected 134,550 Pakistani rupees, while the 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 45,999 Indian rupees, and around $600 and expected 154,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ONEPLUS 12R smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.